there is a sense of, there is a lot of anger amongst people, especially when it is very obvious that a crime has been committed and there has been gold stolen from the very, very sacred shrine of Sabrimala, and then there are many other instances of this kind of corruption in the Devaswam board and this kind of loot that is going on. And when this is being reported by the people, reported by the media, people are getting agitated. Our respected Chief Minister goes to Delhi and says this is a slip-up. I don't know what his definition of corruption is. I don't know what his definition of malfeasance is. I don't know what his definition of accountability is. But 4.5 kgs of gold missing from Sabrimala is not a slip-up. It is corruption. It is exploitation. I mean, I hope he is not benchmarking himself against the Congress party, where they have just stolen 40 kgs of gold and a MLA in Karnataka has been arrested. Look, 4.5 kgs of gold being stolen from Sabrimala is an issue that affects every Hindu believer. And it is not, we are not prepared, the BJP is not prepared for our Chief Minister to characterize this as a slip-up and push it under the carpet. We will not permit it. We will not allow it. And today I am very proud of the youth of the BJP Yuva Morcha, that have come out to talk about their lack of opportunities, their lack of jobs. But they have also come out as believers. And they are saying clearly today, while we want Vigasanam, while we want development, we want jobs, we will also not allow our traditions and our culture to be harmed and hurt and exploited in the manner that Pinarayi Vijayan is doing. No, look, on a day before yesterday, a peaceful protest by the BJP to the minister, Devaswam minister, the man who's in charge of the Devaswam, whose resignation in any normal government would be an automatic thing. A peaceful march, the SFI and the communist hoodlums unleashed terror and violence on our Karyakartas. And I have said very clearly today, the BJP is the largest political party in the world and the largest political formation in the country. And if Pinarayi Vijayan and his CPM thinks that the BJP can be intimidated by their kind of violence, he must think again. Because it is not something that I will permit. I will not allow one Karyakarta of the BJP to be harmed by these hoodlums. And for every Karyakarta that is harmed, I will ensure that the people in power in the CPM are held accountable. I promise you that, Mr. Vijayan.